First up is pattern number 25, Big Shirt. 1. The best feature is the big silhouette. If you make a big silhouette with a light and thin fabric, it is perfect for spring. If you make it with a thicker fabric, you can also make outerwear. The sleeves are relaxed with a drop shoulder. The cuffs are wider than a normal shirt, which is a cute point. Button and the buttonhole are not visible because it's fly front design. Next is pattern number 26, front zipper wide pants. The first feature is a large difference between waist and hip. This is recommended for those who have problems with loose waist when choosing by hip size and tight thighs when choosing by waist size. Wide pants with relaxed belly waist so they don't look sloppy. Standard front zipper so it looks like a ready-made. It's easy to make also. Pattern number 27, Valentine dress. The body is a cut on the bias for a fit and flare design that completed the silhouette along the body. The neckline is a beautiful diamond cutting. The dress will be perfect for Valentine's Day. Sleeves are voluminous and full of girlishness. Pattern number 28, Shirt dress. Large silhouette shirt dress. The body sleeveless cuffs are even larger than pattern 25 and designed to be worn loosely. The shape of collar is soft, not too sharp. It's cute without being too eccentric. The top opening opens to the bust area, and when worn at bottom, it has a relaxed feel that is perfect for holidays. The slit at the hem can be adjusted with a button. The drop-in design is just a nice design I like.